Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? M plus hem plus or plus E plus all. Mem or E all. D plus hey, day. Memorial Day. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the start of another great week here on Concentration. Young man on my right is our returning champion. He's from Philadelphia, and very soon he will be a first-time father. He's won over $5,000 in prizes on our show. This is Dominic Lucente. Welcome back, and good luck today.
Good to be here.
Against this pretty young lady. Her name is Rochelle de la Cruz. Hello, Rochelle.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Married or single?
Married, 2 children.
2 children?
Yes,
How
2
old?
babies. 2 years and 1 year.
What are their names?
Jennifer and Christine.
Jennifer and Christine.
Yes.
Pretty names.
Thank
Ready to
you.
do it?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, take a look over here. This is ideal for anyone.
From the magical world of your dreams to your dream cruise, you and a friend are going to Disney World and cruise the Bahamas too. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Orlando. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy Premier's Cruise and Disney Week, a 4-night Bahamas cruise plus a 3-night Walt Disney World vacation, including hotel, rental car, and admissions furnished by Premier Cruise Lines. Alex.
Forget about the cruise. Forget about the cruise, Gene. I'd be happy with all the dolls. Look at how excited Pokey is with those dolls. Pokey can't contain herself. Rochelle and Dominic, take a look on the board and we'll show you where you will find that fabulous Disney Bahamas cruise at number 3. Rochelle, you get to pick first. Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Let's go dead center, number 13.
Green take.
Let me see if I can get a wild card or a match under number 21.
No, custom drapes. Let's go to Dominic.
Okay, let's look for anything good under number 12.
Anything good? Is that good? Golf clubs?
Golf club's fine, even though I'm not too good at it. We'll try golf clubs or wild card on number 20.
Wild card. So
Great. I better learn quickly.
you'll have an opportunity to improve your game if you win this one. The other golf clubs, lower right-hand corner. 3 panels are going to open now for Dominic.
Looks like my Aunt Mary, but I don't think she's involved in this game.
No, I don't think we'd use your Aunt Mary in one of our puzzles. Select
All right,
again.
let's look under number 6.
Disney
Oh,
Bahamas
and
cruise.
number 3 for the match.
Yes. 2 more doors opening up for Dominic. All right, try it again.
Okay, we're gonna need some more puzzle opened up. How about, let's try number 9.
35mm camera package.
And let's look for the match for the camera under number 16.
Red take, no match. Rochelle?
Okay. Let me see number 24, please.
Green take?
Ooh. Dead center, number 13.
Yes. All right, Rochelle.
I'll save it. I'll save it. I'll save it.
You'll wait a
I'm
little
gonna
while,
need
you'll
it.
make a match, then you'll take the golf clubs.
Yes.
All right. Let's open the 2 panels up for Rochelle.
Too early.
All right, go again.
Can I see number 15, please?
Silver, coffee, and tea
I can use
set.
that. Let me try for a match under number 17.
Silver, coffee, and tea set. Well done, Rochelle. Any thoughts whatsoever of using this right now? You wanna
No,
wait?
not yet. I'll save it. I'll save it.
You saw Friday's game where Dominic came back and took his prize back, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see these 2 panels opening up and revealing what? Try it again.
Okay, let's go for number 1.
Gardening gift certificate.
Let's see number 5.
Number 5, gold cufflinks. Dominic.
Okay, let's look under number 22.
Gas range.
Gas range, it could go, let me see, let's try for the mats on the number 2.
Wild card there, so the gas range will be going into your column as soon as we show you the other one at number 10. Now, 3 panels. Swing them open. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 11.
Wild card.
Man. And I want to open up the puzzle around number 18.
18 it is. 35mm camera package, which we saw up higher a few minutes ago at number 9. So 3 more doors are swinging open for Dominic. Try it again.
Okay, let's look under number 7.
Gold cufflinks.
Oh, we just saw them, and I'm drawing a blank. We're going to take a look under number 14.
No, red take there. Rochelle.
Okay, let me have number 23, please.
Diamond and topaz earrings.
I don't think we've seen 16.
Red take. Dominic.
Okay, let's look under number 8.
Diamond topaz earrings.
Number 23.
Diamond topaz earrings. It's easy for Dominic to remember the jewelry because he works in jewelry. Let's look at the puzzle now. Try it again.
Let's look under number 1.
Gardening gift certificate.
And let's look for the mats for that under number 21.
No, custom drapes. Rochelle, here's a break for you.
Okay, let's see number 4, please.
Custom drapes.
And number 21.
Custom drapes. I point out the green tape, which you've had here for a while.
I want the topaz diamond earrings.
The topaz and diamond earrings.
I have babies, I can't travel right now.
Ah, all righty, good thinking. The jewelry goes to Rochelle's column, and down here we open 2 panels for her. Pick again.
Number 5.
Gold cufflinks.
Number 19, please.
Gardening gift certificate. Dominic.
Number 14.
Red tape.
And number 16.
Red tape.
They're going to take the earrings back over.
All right.
You don't want the drapes?
Topaz
No, I don't want
and...
the drapes.
No, he's not into drapery. He's into jewelry. Open the 2 panels for Dominic. Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Gardening gift certificate.
And number 5.
Oh, Dominic. Oh, dear. Rochelle.
Number 7, please.
Gold cufflinks.
Number 19.
Oh, Rochelle! Dominic. Redemption indeed.
Number 5.
Number 5. Cufflink.
Number 7 for the match.
Yes. Oh, God. 2 big errors in a row, but Dominic winds up in the driver's seat. Open the doors. Show him 1 and 19 for the gardening gift certificate. And now for a whole bunch of prizes, Dominic, solve this puzzle.
Hungry as a bear.
Hungry as a bear. Yes. Go to the board. Somebody up there likes you, Dominic.
Yeah, thank God. Okay, first we have Budapest, which is in Hungary. Hungry, and we have an ass. Hay, hungry as hay. B plus hair, bear, hungry as a bear.
Hungry as a bear is right. Rochelle, you had it right here in the palm of your hand. He made his mistake, and you followed it up with one of your own. But that's all right. You better concentrate in game number 2. We'll put you into that one in just a little bit, okay?
Good luck.
All right, we'll see you then. All right, Dominic, as I said, a big payoff, a lot of prizes coming your way. Go for it, Gene.
Our gardening gift certificate, gold cufflinks. A service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select gold cufflinks or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores. furnished by Service Merchandise, and a 35mm camera package. The new Konica Z-Up 80RC is equipped with a power zoom lens that lets you shift from wide angle to telephoto lens in a snap, and features a new remote control switch furnished by Konica, and golf clubs. Pin Seeker's set of custom-made golf clubs and deluxe staff bags, including stainless steel woods with matching radius sole irons, furnished by Pin Seeker, and a gas range. A Whirlpool self-cleaning gas range with electronic ignition, lighted glass control panel, and lift-off cooktop for quick and easy cleanups, furnished by Whirlpool. And diamond topaz earrings, part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar line. Crafted in 14-karat gold, these lovely earrings feature oval blue topaz accented with 6 sparkling diamonds, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And, of course, the wonderful Disney Bahamas Cruise. And these prizes are worth $7,065.
As Dominic says, you're never going to have too much jewelry. He's a big winner, and he's going to try for a car after this break. During the commercial break, Dominic made a comment that he's been very lucky, but luck counts on shows such as this one. So here are the 15 numbered squares, and I wish you a great deal of luck. 45 seconds on the clock for you, Dominic. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
9. 5.
Yes.
8, 6.
No.
1. 11.
No.
10. 7.
No.
12. 14.
No.
13. 8.
Yes.
6. 15.
No.
10. 12.
No.
4. 12.
No.
11. 4.
Right.
2.
No, sorry.
2. 14.
No.
15. 3.
No.
6. 10. It's not my forte, this card game here.
But just think, you're winning a lot of prizes.
Yes, I am.
As you get on-the-job training here in this round. You've got $12,429 in prizes.
Thank God for that.
And you're coming back after this.
Watching Buzzr's National Game Show Month celebration.
Let's take a look at one of the prizes in this second game.
You may improve your tennis with Lobster's portable 135-ball capacity machine with 2 high-performance graphite rackets for more accurate hitting, furnished by Lobster.
Better backhand, Marjorie, better backhand. Rochelle and Dominic, look on the board. Here's where you'll find the tennis server and rackets at number 25. $700 in the cash pot, 5 bonus car seconds, and a holiday in Las Vegas. And Rochelle, you must redeem yourself for that first game.
Okay,
go to work.
I'll try. Let's see number 2.
Luggage.
Luggage. Well, I can use that when I go somewhere. Okay, let me look for a match or wild card under number 16, please.
No crystal gift certificate is what we have there. Dominic?
Okay, the way I'm playing in the car game, I can use 500 car seconds, so let's look for something like that under number 4.
His and her sportswear.
Okay, let's look for the match for his and her sportswear under number 12.
No, green take. Rochelle?
Okay, dead center, number 13, please.
Red take.
Number 15 for a match or a wild card.
No, cash
Ooh,
pot. Dominic?
Okay, let's look for a wild card or some match under number 22.
Crystal gift certificate.
And the match for that under number 11.
No, that's a diamond and gold pin. Rochelle?
Okay, let's try number 5.
That is Las Vegas.
Ooh, match or a wild card under number 9, please.
Motorcycle. Dominic?
Okay, something has to give soon. Let's look under number 15.
Cash pot.
Oh, brain dead again. Let's look for the match for that under number 1.
No, the bonus seconds.
I like that.
Michelle?
Number 22.
Crystal?
Number 23.
Luggage. Dominic?
Okay, let's look under number 2.
Luggage.
And number 23 for the match.
Luggage. At last, we get a match. And Dominic gets the prize in his column, and he gets a look at this little bit of the puzzle. Oh, boy.
Very revealing. Okay, let's look under number 19.
Wild card.
Oh. And Las Vegas doesn't sound too bad. Let's go to Las Vegas under number 5.
All righty. The other Las Vegas getaway is at number 8. 3 doors opening up for Dominic. Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 10.
Wild card again.
Playing with the horseshoe. Let's look for something under number 17.
Diamond and gold
Take
pin.
it with the doors.
That's right. The other one we saw a little while ago at number 11. 3 doors opening up this time for Dominic.
Ooh. All right, let's look under number 9.
Motorcycle.
We did see that already. Let's look under number 16 for the match.
Crystal gift certificate. Rochelle.
Okay, let's try number 21.
Red take.
Number 24.
His and her sportswear. No match for you.
Okay,
Dominic.
let's look at number 3.
Green take.
Was the match for that under number 13?
No, that's the red take. Rochelle.
Number 21.
Right?
Number 13.
There's a match. See anything you like?
Las Vegas vacation.
All right, you passed up on the trip the first time because of the kids.
But I'll go somewhere. I need to go somewhere.
You need to go somewhere.
Yeah.
Open these 2 doors for Rochelle. Is she going anywhere?
Safety first?
Is it safety first? No.
Okay.
Pick again.
Let's try number 4.
His and
Number
her sportswear.
24.
Match. Open it up and let Rochelle see this part of the puzzle.
Safety net.
Looks like we've got a winner. Safety net. Yes, Rochelle. Okay. Come on, young lady. Your turn to explain the puzzle. Move right in. Don't be shy.
Okay. We have the save plus the T and the net. Safety net.
Very simple, isn't it? Safety net. It's a winning solution for you, and you've just handed Dominic his very first strike. So we'll start off tomorrow with the deciding game between the 2 of you. We'll see you in that one, Dominic.
Win the car.
Thank you.
Win a car, he says. All right,
Right.
Rochelle. Let's find out what you've already won. Gene.
His and her sportswear. Catalina, scene-stealing fashions in active and daytime sportswear. Classic styles with a pizzazz in easy care fabrics, perfect for any sport or leisure activity. Furnished by Catalina and the Las Vegas Getaway. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Las Vegas Hilton, one of the world's largest and most exciting hotels. You may relax in true splendor, enjoying top-name entertainment and gourmet dining, furnished by Las Vegas Hilton.
And a chance to play for a brand new car as well, coming up right after this. Automobiles. Here's what you could win. On the bottom shelf, the Hyundai Scoop, then the Geo Metro, the Honda Civic, the Volkswagen Fox, the Mitsubishi Mirage, the Plymouth Sundance, the Subaru Justy, and right at the top, the Eagle Summit. Remember those names. They are going to appear quite often on these 15 numbered squares. You know the drill. Clock is at base time, 35 seconds. Good luck to you, Rochelle. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 6,
Yes.
8, 9,
No.
10, 2,
No.
1, 12,
Yes.
10, 3,
Right.
13, 8,
No.
11, 14,
No.
9, 14,
Yes.
15, 4, 2, 15,
Right.
5,
2 more to go. You made a couple of mistakes early on, but you were
Yeah.
very calm about it, and you handled yourself well. And I could see your mind working when you missed on one match, when you went to the 1, and then you came back and said, hey, it isn't at the 2, so it's got to be at the 3. That was very well done.
Thank
You've got
you.
that holiday in Las Vegas coming up, and you've got the sportswear and another match, of course, against Dominic. We're going to take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's 5-in-1 coffee tea maker. Grinds beans, then brews coffee. Brews tea. Makes fresh iced coffee and tea, too. Furnished by Singer. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Pokey, the way I figure it, you see, I'm responsible for you getting fed on a regular basis because Marjorie forgets to do that. And I think you owe me. A little kiss, a little lick might just make me feel good.
She's
Yeah,
too
obviously
smart
you're
for that.
you're upset today. You want to talk to one of your benefactors, but that's all right. Pokey will probably return tomorrow along with Marjorie, and Rochelle will be here to face Dominic again in the tiebreaker game in their match. Join us for that one. See ya.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.